Hi. So I wrote a song the other day called "Raindrops on a Tin Roof," and yeah, please enjoy. Raindrops on a tin roof's keeping me up again. Been here before, but I can't quite remember when. And I know that soon you'll be gone, and that's okay, my friend. Till the storm passes on, I'll just stay up again, staring at this ceiling as we feeling pretty down. And I can hear the echoes from the gunshot all the way through the town. And I just wanna see your pretty face one last time before I die. Till then I'll just stay up and watch my dreams fly by. Oh, collect the raindrops from your eyes, pretend they're from the sky. Sooner or later you're bound to break, just like the stormy sky. And I wanna be holding your hand by the time that it comes. Sadly I'm in this empty room, wait for kingdom come. Raindrops on a tin roof's keeping me up again. Been here before, but I can't quite remember when. And I know that soon you'll be gone, and that's okay, my friend. Till the storm passes on, I'll just stay up again. Raindrops on a tin roof's keeping me up again. Thank you.